Hi guys, Jim Sinesco here with AFC International, and I just want to do a real quick YouTube live for you streaming. And what I want to show you here is actually a test with the brand new or coming just soon to come out AccuSense portable gas chromatograph analyzer detector. I guess it's kind of a hybrid, so I don't really want to call it a pure GC, but it is a chemical detector for multiple hazards. It will give concentrations and actually identify what you have. So right now, right here, I've got some testing going on with this AccuSense. This is a beta type unit, so it's not actually production yet. But all we're doing here is a real simple, not quantitative, but we're just taking a beaker and we're adding a little bit of challenge hazard. And in this case, instead of using gas, I'm just using a common paint and varnish stripper that can potentially be at any hazmat situation. This is a Jasco product, and inside here is methylene chloride. So methylene chloride, you may or may not know, cannot detect, would not be detectable by a PID, such as this Mini Ray 3000 over here, because the amount of energy needed on the PID standard 10.6 lamp. But so what we did was just put a little bit of that methylene chloride in there, let it kind of move around through the air. We have a fan kind of moving it around. The inlet for the AccuSense is right over here, and you can see that. And so the air gets pulled in, it goes to a pre-concentrator in the instrument, and then it is released at a choosing of our own for the analyzer, and that analyte goes into two different types of columns, GC columns. And it was by using those two distinctly different columns, we actually get a signature, and that signature then correlates. So what I have going on here, I'm going to go back to a sample I did a little earlier today and pull up that analysis, and you can see there's a methylene chloride sample that came out and actually gives you the concentration in part per million. So every 3 minutes, this system will then do the analysis, and you can see right now we're at that point where it's doing an analysis, and it'll give us a new reading of real time. So it's about a 3-minute delay. So in other words, this sample was 3 minutes prior to this. So the whole sample system takes about 3 minutes, and then it starts a new sample setup. Now that last sample, there was no methylene chloride challenge, so therefore we have no other chemical challenge for that matter, and we got nothing being detected. But again, I'm going to go back to a couple of samples where we actually did get readings, and here is one. And what's nice, I did an acetone sample here, and you can see the acetone reading was at 16.4. So multiple hazards, multiple targets can be detected. We can actually even do multiple 2, 3 types of hazards at the same time. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find one. Now, these are more methylene chloride, but it does archive them, and it does give you readings in every 3 minutes. So here's one. Here's where we did a dual, and in this case we had acrylonitrile and acetone going on at the same time. So yes, the columns and the analyzer can separate mixtures and give you both quantitative values and the identifier. So this is going to kind of change the whole process for hazmat if this science and technology proves that it can do what it can do. I'm very excited for this technology. So again, I just want to have a real quick video. We're not quite yet coming out with this unit. Very, very soon though. And of course, this is not quantitative. We don't have a standard. We're used to using some, an unknown amount of this methylene chloride, but the science is very, very accurate, very, very precise. We do run samples against GC mass spec. So what we're giving you with this information is for sure right on the money. So anyway, Jim Sinesco, AFC, just wanted to give you a quick video, let all you know where we are with this unit. It is coming, and coming very soon. Midwest Hazmat Show in the north suburbs of Chicago. We'll be there early May for the Midwest Hazmat Show, so come join us. I'll be doing a 90-minute presentation on instrumentation and also including this. So please join us. Again, AccuSense, AFC International, chemical analyzer.